Let's take a moment to reflect on the emotional weight of losing these landmarks. For many, they weren't just buildings. They represented memories, experiences, and the essence of a bygone era. Imagine walking through the grand halls of the original Pennsylvania station, feeling the weight of history in every step. Picture the awe of gazing up at the majestic dome of the Singer Building, marveling at the artistry of its design. Visualize the lavishness of the Waldorf-Astoria, where society's elite gathered to celebrate. Each structure held stories, yet the relentless march of progress has silenced them, leaving echoes of what once was. As we consider this lost architectural heritage, it becomes clear that the destruction of these magnificent structures transcends mere bricks and mortar. It encapsulates societal values and priorities of their time. The choice to sacrifice beauty for practicality reflects a tension that persists today, as cities grapple with the balance between growth and preservation. As we look to the future, we must ask ourselves how we want to remember our history and what legacies we wish to leave behind for generations to come. Let's ensure that the stories of our past continue to resonate, guiding the narratives of our urban landscapes. In the face of urban development, we are left with a poignant question: how do we honor our past while accommodating the future? The stories of Pennsylvania Station, the Singer Building, and the Waldorf-Astoria challenge us to think critically about our priorities. They remind us that the architecture we choose to preserve can shape the identity of our cities, echoing the spirit and cultural richness of the communities they once served. To ensure that future generations appreciate the beauty and significance of their surroundings, we must advocate for a thoughtful approach to development, one that respects the past without hindering progress. The conversation about preservation versus progress is ongoing, and it's one that we should all engage in. By doing so, we honor the memory of these great structures and the ideals they embodied. As we navigate the complexities of modern urban environments, it's essential to recognize that our choices today will define the skylines of tomorrow. It's not merely about constructing new buildings, but creating spaces that resonate with the lessons of history. Each new development should reflect a commitment to both innovation and respect for the architectural narratives that have shaped our cities. Engaging in meaningful conversations about preservation can cultivate a deeper awareness of the collective memories these places inspire and why they deserve to be cherished. Let's advocate for spaces that honor the past while embracing the future. The legacies of these iconic buildings remind us that our urban landscape is not just a collection of structures, but a testament to our shared history. As we forge ahead, let us commit to preserving our architectural heritage, ensuring that the stories of these lost landmarks continue to inspire and educate future generations.